Thank you for watching Sweet Eminence Candle Company. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Today, we are going to check out a pretty useful device. Here we have a candle warmer. This product is good for those of you who don't feel safe with candle flames or have candles that will no longer burn due to not having any wick left. This particular candle warmer can be plugged into any electrical outlet. For this demonstration, we will use a candle that still have a little wax left but no wick. We will take our candle warmer and plug it into an outlet to get started. As you can see, this candle warmer has an on and off switch that lights up to let you know whether it is on or off. The solid red light means the warmer is currently on. After we turn it on, we will place our candle onto the candle warmer. I'll set a timer here to see how long this warmer takes to form a wax pool. As described on the back of the package, this is used to warm candles without matches, open flames or smoke. It will release the fragrance without flames. And on the front of the package, it says flameless, smokeless, safe way to enjoy scented candles. And this just says 17 watts and 120 volts. Right now, we are on about 10 minutes, and you can see the wax melting. And yes, we are using a time lapse. Now we are at about the 12.5 minute mark. There is almost a complete wax pool. The candle warmer has completely melted the wax, and it smells pretty good. This whole process took about 16 minutes to completely warm the candle and form a wax pool. As always, we hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And check us out at www.sweeteminence.com.